I'm gonna anchor off right here.
We're gonna fish forward? Or we should go a little further and fish back.
Doesn't really matter. All directions you want. I'm kind of just gonna throw it out there, all directions. Like what I made there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have a nice one, man, but it's a real like a movie one.
Yeah, you got the $200 one.
It's like 70, 80 bucks.
Oh.
I traded it for something. I don't know what. The guy wanted it in a tournament. He wants a lot of shit, so he didn't even need it.
Oh, I paid like probably $2 for this. PVC is like $197.
Yeah.
This is perfect right here. Early morning bite wasn't as expected until the wind picked up. Oh no! No! It cut me off! Just a few hours before the front came in, definitely had the bite picking up. That's a good trout. Trout are aggressive. Fishing in strong winds and current can sometimes be rewarding, especially right before a front. What I like to do is I like to go out and just set a drift, and usually it's a fast-paced drift where I just drift for about a half a mile straight, and I'm just casting and casting, releasing fish as fast as possible, and just hoping to pick up anything out there, you know, as you pass sand pockets and you know, grass flats and anything out there. All the structures that you're just passing, man, usually leads to a good amount of fish on the way out. Never fished in rough conditions in a kayak, man, definitely give it a shot, man. Know your limits, know when to call it a quits, and as far as that, man, you know, just know what you can handle, man. For me, I'm good up to you know, a few miles, so for me, paddling against these currents and strong winds, man, doesn't really bother me. You know, it definitely takes a lot longer and a lot more patience, and it just takes a lot more endurance out of you. But as far as fishing, you know, the fishing quality is still the same, man. You know, win or not, no win, the fish are still out there. You know, certain spots do produce. I mean, a lot of these grass flats, you know, you pass by all these sand pockets and grass flats out there, you know, crossing channels and stuff. A lot of trout, a lot of reds out there, you know. Let's give it a shot. You never know. Leave me a comment down below of what you guys preferred fishing environment is. Windy or not windy. Me personally, I like the little bit of wind chopping the water, man. Makes for great movement of the bait and overall better fishing. 2 hours before the front came through, I decided to call it quits as the wind and the waves, along with the currents, was just a little bit too much to handle.
Got it, man. Getting there.
What a relief it is to be back on shore. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. That's the end of the video. Check out the links down below in the description. Follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook groups. That's about everything we got down in the links, man. Like the video, subscribe for more. Catch you guys next week.